Hello, hello, and welcome to Magic Bringers Rising for the week of September 4th through the 10th. Find out what this week of shifting energy is going to bring us and our manifestations. So stay tuned. Welcome to Magic Bringers Rising Chats, a show by Super Secret Powers. I'm your host, Lindsay Baldessano, and let's get ready for a dose of energy healing, channeled guidance, and humor to keep your intuitive flow open and your roots grounded so you can lead the life of healing, spiritual purpose, and magic that you want. So before we dive into everything, I just want to remind everybody that this week we have our Unleashed Masterclass. Me and my friend Andrea, we're running it. If you want to get empowered with and by your intuition, I invite you to join. This is for wild, witchy, intuitive women who really want to start stepping into their sovereignty and really want to feel free and unleashed and just be themselves, but themselves also in that greater consciousness sense where it's just like I am being the full multidimensional me that I can be in this lifetime. But it's a 5-day experience, and we are doing we're doing sound healing. I'm fine. I am actually still a little sick, but light language transmissions. We're going to try some drumming this time, some chord cutting, some very beautiful work. It's an experience, not just a whole bunch of lessons dropped. So you have until Tuesday. Tuesday is the last day we're accepting people into the masterclass because we really want this to be a safe space, and we want people to be in this space because they want to do the work and they want to experience the things, and they want to, really work on their own energy and their core self, and, really get a sense of who that inner queen could be for themselves. So that really kind of has to take place behind some closed doors, but it's just a free private group on Facebook. So just make sure you sign up so you can get the link, so you can get in there, so you can unleash that inner queen. This is going to be an amazing week. The energy is lifting and things are beginning to, I think, really start shifting in our favor and start clearing up from the summer of retrogrades. We still have a lot of things in retrograde. So we're not out of the woods, but okay, so today is a big day. And I have to say that all the shifts are just kind of stacked between Monday and Tuesday, really. So expect this week to start off on a whole different foot so that way you can kind of carry forward from here on out. So we have Venus going direct. Yay. We have Jupiter slipping into retrograde, but we'll talk about that in a second. And we have Mercury at its halfway point. It's also trine Jupiter today. So we have a lot of stuff moving and shaking. The halfway through Mercury retrograde means we are in our active phase now of the retrograde. We are no longer really retrograding. We are no longer going backward. Now we're going to start moving forward again until the 15th, when Mercury stations direct and continues to move forward until December. So active phase means that whatever felt delayed, whether it's packages, communications, etc., that stuff is going to start to resolve itself. It's just going to come through. We're going to be able to move forward on plans. We're going to be able to start making some plans. I'd still wait till the 15th so that, it's on a little bit of a firmer grounding before, you just go ahead and you make big long-term plans. But, we are in a transition anyway because we are heading into fourth quarter and stuff into the holiday seasons, and school started, of course, which all marks like this big shift that we experienced during the fall. So the other things we have going on this week is Wednesday we have a Master 22 day, which is pretty awesome. And then Friday we have a sunshine with Jupiter, which is going to feel amazing, which is going to feel like winning, which is going to feel like maybe luck is on our side, and that maybe we can, actually take the leap or the little bit of a gamble we've been wanting to make. So this is a week that is, I will say, stirred up, but almost like stirred up in our favor. So it is also a week to be in action as action comes to you, because we still have a lot of Venus energy coming through to meld beautifully, dance wonderfully, harmoniously with all this Jupiter action. So Venus and Jupiter together, I mean, that is a really good combination of energies. That loving, let's, really find and tune into what's beautiful. Let's feel good about ourselves. And then with Jupiter going retro, that means our abundance is going to get a makeover. And he's going to be in retrograde for quite a while because, of course, he moves slower. But that abundance makeover, I think, especially in this space we're in, I think that is a very much a needed thing. And I think that when Elizabeth Peru was talking about foundations in her tip-off this week, I really think that is a very high vibe way to put it. Yeah, it could mean some shakeups. We still have Jupiter in Taurus for a while. This whole Taurus energy that we had since 2020 has caused a lot of shifting. But I think this is going to really start pushing us forward again now. Actually forward. So, just be with it this week. And be with the energy and try and trust what you can, because this is a time where we can really start setting up new foundations, new ways of thinking about our own finances, health, wealth, all that kind of stuff. Health, wealth, home. And when we can really start finding something we love because of, the Venus energy and Mercury now working a little bit more in our favor. All right, on to light language. So, welcome to light language time for this week. And I really feel a lot of sun energy coming through. We've had some good solar spikes. Our Schumann resonance is a little up. Pardon me. So, yeah, let us use that. Because I have a feeling it's going to continue this week, at least a little bit. I feel like these are actually sun codes, healing codes. And, yeah. But with the coming fall, it's very different. It's very different than how it was over the summer, where it was just kind of blasting. This feels a lot warmer. I don't mean hotter. I just mean like more cozy, warmer, more nourishing in a way. So let's just take a couple minutes. Take a couple deep breaths. And just kind of release anything that might be pressing on you right now. Release any stress, any tension. As we come into this very safe, very present moment. So all I want you to do today is just turn your attention to the sun. And just allow those rays of the sun to fill you up. Breathe it in. And relax into it. Just continue to breathe in the sun. And allow it to fill and light you up. Now I'm going to go a little deeper here, but you just continue breathing and being in the sun and open to the sun's healing codes. And I just want to remind you to keep turning your face to the sun whenever you might feel doubt or worry. For these very gentle sun codes will help bring you joy and pleasure of just being, bringing you back to this very present moment, to a very present but crucial decision. to be within yourself and be within your joy. That's really the only decision there is. And we thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, for the collective, and just for taking the time to be with us today. So, please remember to sign up for Unleashed. You'll find the links either in the top or the bottom of this video. And yeah, you have until Tuesday to do that. Tuesday, probably about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And yeah, I cannot wait to see you. I hope you join. I can't wait to see what magic comes forward for each of us during this 5-day experience together. And yeah, don't forget to like, follow, share, and certainly share this video if there is someone who you think this would really help. All right. I will see you next week, and I will see you in Unleashed. Woo.